Hello, traders. FX Pip Collector here. Today is Monday, October 20th, and this is my analysis for the pound US dollar, and we are on the daily time frame. So on the daily time frame, based on structure, we are definitely still within a downtrend because it has not broken the 100% level, has not broken a structure yet. So I'm still looking at this as potentially pushing down to maybe the 100% or maybe even much further if this really is a true break of structure on the weekly time frame, which it looks like it is. So for now, I am definitely still very bearish on at least the higher time frames. Going down to the 1 hour time frame, we don't really have a whole lot of proof that it's going down yet. We do have a little bit of a break of structure right here, which would tell me that we're either in an ABC pullback to the uptrend, or this really is a top right here, like the top of a wave C or something like that. And this is actually going to turn into a lower low, lower high and turn into a downtrend. So for me personally, I'm looking for sorts while I either learn or earn whether this is a pullback to the last move up or whether this right here really is the top of a pullback on the daily and we're going to turn into a downtrend. So anyways, don't forget to check out my website linked over here in the corner. And as always, thank you for watching and happy trading.